Okay, that works. You do not look like you're wet. Oh.
No, duh, Tori.
No. You don't get it because you're not old enough yet, but what I just said was bad.
You're so perverted.
You should have heard me with Jesse today. He was putting the lotion on, and he was making this.
I got her. It's okay.
You've heard of me. Anyway, he was putting the. Oh! That hurt. Anyway, he was putting the lotion on, and he was just making these weird noises, and I was like, I always make weird noises when I do stuff. And I just started laughing, and he stopped what he was doing and looked at me. Hi, Cha-Cha. Are you having fun?
Good.
Hi.
I'm a vampire, okay?
Hi. No, you're not.
JK.
Oh, come on, Fatso. Let's sit up. There you go. Okay. I need to make myself tea. Go over there. Try not to show off too much.
We all know you love doing that. Yeah, that got far. What the heck was that? Ew, it was a tea bag!
You should have seen it. No, don't breathe it. You're gonna be. Hey! Ah, you failed. Breathe it. Hit your head. Listen to me. Look at me. And your head went doink. Go back. It was so funny.
That's Tori. I know. I was there. Ready?
Dude,
Cool.
You made dust pop up.
I know. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through.
Ah! Ow!
She's weird.
Okay, alright, just ready to the pantry.
Oh.
No, don't get out of the video. Need Gatorade. Do we even have Gatorade?
Still need to work.
So we have Sobeys? What kind is that? Oh, you just need a. Oh no. No.
It's not the same without a bottle. Ready?
No.
Ready?
No. So it's gonna end up hurt. I'm hoping it's you.
Ready? It's gonna end up being her. Uh-oh.
Ready?
Ready?
That's why we don't throw stuff.
Oh, this is Daddy's like $30.
Water bottle.
Ready? Oh, I did that without looking.
So did I.
She's not making it fun anymore.
Yeah, that's because everyone's seen it before because it's the video called Gatorade. Oh, that's like the bread. Wait, how do I know?
Say cheese. It's
Raven.
blood.
Billy, there's no more. Can you go give me more lemonade, please? Pretty please. Or you can just stand here and entertain people with the video. So what's it gonna be? Get the lemonade or entertain people with the video?
I want to try entertaining.
Oh yay! I don't really trust her. Tell me how it goes.
Okay, I only have a little time. So now I would like to tell you how much Tori is a dork. You already knew that, right? But still, look. Okay.
what you do. Look, look, look.
I scratched myself.
That's what your claw did to me right next to that scar.
I'm
And then that's what your bottle did to me.
I'm sorry. Baby, squeak. I hate squeaking.
That's so cute.
I hate squeaking. I hate squeaking.
Yeah. Don't do that. I would not have been able to defend myself. I'm going to push you off again.
I hate squeaking.
I think that's worse than squeaking by a lot. How? You grunted.
You know, someone taught me something. I didn't let her do it, but if you do this, and so it bends back your fingers, you rub your sex. Your pinky. Yeah.
So wait, did she bend back your pinky?
No, I wouldn't let her. You crazy?
I doubt that's true. I would probably go, ow! Pretty sure that's not my sound.
You just blinked it out. You're like, ouch.
Yesterday, Mom and I were listening to Undead on the car ride home, and I was blinking it out as I was singing.
Dad has F-words.
She actually likes the message that the song brings. She just doesn't like all the bad language. Stay off the counter.
Ow.
Hurt my wrist.
That hurt my hand because you know what? I slammed it against the counter. I accidentally said the F word in Japanese.
I don't think anyone cares.
Hoi!
Let me see it.
No.
No, watch. I can do a trick with it.
Cha-cha!
Stab my dog with that thing and I'll kill you. Ready? Ready? Oh!
Very nice.
No. Oh, they didn't even get it on video.
You went like this.
This claw wing thingy got me. Watch out. You heard. Wait.
No, I didn't.
Stand like right there. So the video sees you. Ready?
Not really. Oh.
You're supposed to fall over dead.
Oh.
Right in the face. Ow. Did I mark you? Okay. Oh. Okay, you know what?
This doesn't work when you have your legs spread apart.
Screaming. Okay. Don't think they wanted to know that.
She killed me and I came back from the dead to haunt her.
Yep. All right, we're getting off. Someone told us we have to have a limit on these videos. So,
Who?
my father. He said, because like when he watched the other one, he was like, that was the most boring 9 minutes and 4 seconds of my life.